Hey guys, this is Gator School, and today we are at the bowling alley. Because I have to do bowling all the time.
Bowling?
Bowling all the time. That's over at the bowling alley.
You're in a bowling league with Dad, right?
Yep. It's only for grown-ups and kids. I'll see you inside.
How do you do?
Good, I got free spares.
You bowled a 99.
Yeah.
That's better than Mommy can do.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Dad can knock all the pins down.
But you got spares. That's awesome.
Yeah. I wish we had a quarter.
So, did you throw the ball down when you weren't supposed to at one point?
Yep.
Yeah. Was that silly?
Then it got stuck.
Yeah. Wasn't that silly?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait. You can't bowl if there's no pins.
All right. Did you have fun?
Yep.
Cool beans.
And
Say bye.
bye. And don't forget to like and
Subscribe.
subscribe.
You'll get it.